In this video, I'll show you how to send money through messages using Apple Pay. It's a simple process, but you'll need to make sure everything is set up correctly first. To get started, you'll need to have Apple Cash enabled on your iPhone. Open up the Settings app, tap on your name at the top, then go into iCloud, Password and Security, and make sure you have two-factor authentication turned on. This is required in order to use Apple Cash. Next, head over to the Wallet app. At the very top, you should see the option to set up your Apple Cash card. Tap on it, hit Continue, and follow the prompts. Apple will ask you to connect a debit card to your account. You can use an existing card that's already linked to your Apple ID, or you can add a new one manually. I recommend linking a debit card since using a credit card comes with an additional 3% fee. Once your card is verified, your Apple Cash card will be created and added to your wallet. Now that Apple Cash is set up, you're ready to send money. Open the Messages app and start a conversation with the person you want to send money to. Inside the conversation, tap on the little App Store icon next to the text box, and then look for the Apple Pay button in the app drawer. Enter the amount of money you want to send. Tap Pay, and you'll see a preview of the transaction. Once you're ready, tap Send, and then authenticate the payment with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. The money will instantly be sent, and your friend will receive a notification inside their Messages app with the payment details. The money you send will go straight to their Apple Cash card in their Wallet app, where they can use it to make purchases with Apple Pay or transfer it directly to their bank account. If they want to transfer it to their bank, all they have to do is open their Apple Cash card in Wallet, tap Transfer to Bank, enter their bank details like routing and account number if it's not already saved, and then confirm the transfer. Just keep in mind that this can take 1 to 3 business days. That's all there is to it. You've just learned how to send money through messages using Apple Pay. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.